welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing the last unboxing. This is a Motorola U6 that I picked up on eBay. There wasn't actually any photos of it, and I paid $8 for it, so this may be a fail unboxing. We don't know, we'll see. It was just stock photos, so we're going to take a look and see what we got. Here it is. Very dirty, heavily used, but it looks to be original. Magnetics actually are right here, and that's what holds this other piece is coming off. And that what actually holds the screen piece down as magnetics, and then it springs up, so it's pretty cool. Had one of these apart. Let me see if I can find a battery real quick. This one should have a good battery in it, and we'll give it a test maybe. That kind of fits in there. Let me check it, look, see if the keypad lights up or anything. Oh, yep, so the keypad, oh, there it goes. Yay. So, let me see, this battery might be a little iffy on these terminals. Let me push off the bottom. Let's try that now. There we go. I can hold my battery right. I don't think I have the other one. Let me see if I can find the other one just real quick. Okay guys, so I looked everywhere and I can't find my other one, of course. But here's this. I kind of got the battery still in place holding it. See, it still works. It is a T-Mobile phone, it looks like. I will try to find my other one because I'm going to need it now. And then I can swap some parts over, but I'll have to look for it. I don't know, I really don't remember where I put it, guys. So there you go, it is T-Mobile. Looks like it was for a construction company, which is why it's in poor shape. That would explain a lot. But yeah, it seems to be working just fine. There you go, it says T-Mobile. Here's your front clock. So sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, I'll find those. I'll probably make a video on taking those apart because they really are a pain to do. And stay tuned for the next one, guys.